This is just a quick video which might help someone with a broken Dell 4220 projector like mine. So what mine was doing was, let's see if it still does, it would flash all three of these lights amber. So you'd have bulb light, temperature, and power amber. And what the manual tells me that this means, the manual says DC supply fault, um, which is only kind of true. So this projector, if we turn it over, and let's do that carefully because it's all in bits. So this projector has the cover which goes on the bulb compartment. And in here, there's a little clicky switch, which you might be able to hear. Screwdriver can get it. There we go. And this is normally activated by one of the little tabs that is on here. But on mine, that was broken off, so it doesn't push down on the switch anymore. And obviously, you'd get the same behavior if you don't put this lid back on. And what this little switch does, it actually tells the power supply to not come on at all, which the controller ends up interpreting as DC supply fault. Since the actual controller and software doesn't know about this switch. The switch goes just directly to the power supply and just stops the power supply from working. So what I did in my case was I just jammed a little bit of paper in there, and that fixed it. So I hope that could be helpful to someone. Thanks for watching.